Sri Gurupi Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths state board chapter 10 differential equation exercise 10.5 third sum. Find the equation of the curve whose slope. What is the meaning for that slope? Slope is nothing but dy by dx or m is y minus 1 by x square plus x and which passes through the point 1 comma 0. So you can take it as dy by dx slope equal to dy by dx equal to y minus 1 by x square plus x square plus x. So dy by dx equal to y minus 1 by x square plus x, dy by dx equal to y minus 1 by x. You can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining value? X plus 1 by variable separable method. By variable separable, dy by y minus 1 equal to dy by y minus 1 equal to dx by x into x plus 1. So integrating on both the sides. You can take this value alone first. I you can mention as this as I equal to integral dx by x into x plus 1. You can do it in a partial method. So 1 by x into x plus 1 equal to a by x plus b by x plus 1. You studied in the 11th itself, x plus 1. So by partial method, by cross multiplication, 1 by x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 equal to cross multiplication a into x plus 1 plus b into x by x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1 get cancelled. So 1 equal to a into x plus 1 plus bx. Put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. You are getting the value 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1. So 1 equal to minus b. What is the value of b? b equal to minus 1. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. 1 equal to a into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 plus b into 0. 1 equal to a into 1 plus 0. What is the value of a? a equal to 1. If a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1, substitute in this equation. See, I equal to integral dx by x into x plus 1 equal to integral. What is the value of 1 by x into x plus 1? a by x plus b by x plus 1. So 1 by x, because a value is 1, b value is minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Now we move on to this part. See here, integral dy equal to I. Integral dy by y minus 1 equal to I. So integral dy by y minus 1 equal to, what is the I value there? Integral 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Integral 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx. See here, integral dy by y minus 1. What is the differentiation of y? 1. 1 into dy. 1 differentiation minus 1 differentiation, it is a constant, so it becomes 0. The same way, see, integral dy by y minus 1 equal to integral 1 by x into dx minus integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx. So, integral differentiation of y is 1 into dy. So, log of modulus of y minus 1 equal to integral dx by x. X differentiation is 1 log of mod x minus the same way x differentiation is 1 and 1 differentiation is 0 log of modulus of x plus 1 plus log of mod c. Log of mod c. So, log of modulus of y minus 1 equal to c log m plus log n log mn log mn minus log l. So, log mn by L. So, if it is addition, you can do it in a product form logarithm. If it is in a division, you can do it in a subtraction, you can write it in a division form. So, log of modulus of, see this both the values are in addition. So, you can write it in multiplication product form xc. This term it is in subtraction. So, you write it in a division form modulus of xc by x plus 1 taking anti-log on both the sides y minus 1 equal to cx by x plus 1 cx by x plus 1. See y minus 1 equal to cx by x plus 1 passes through the point 1 comma 0 passes through the point 1 comma 0. You can substitute in equation 1 and get the value of c. See here y minus 1 equal to cx by x plus 1. This is the value of x and y. So, 0 minus 1 equal to c into 1 by 1 plus 1. 0 minus 1 equal to c into 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 1 equal to c by 2. What is the value of c? c equal to minus 2. c equal to minus 2 you substitute in equation 1. So, you are getting the value y minus 1 equal to minus 2x by x plus 1. Y minus 1 equal to minus 2x by x plus 1, y equal to minus 2x by x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. You can take the LCM y equal to minus 2x plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. Y equal to minus 2x plus x is minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. So, you can write it here y equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, y equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. See the fourth sum. Solve the following differential equation. First subdivision, dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So, dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square by variable separable method. We will do it by variable separable method. dy by root of 1 minus y square, dy by root of 1 minus y square equal to dx by root of 1 minus x square. You can see to that dy and dx should be in the numerator in variable separable method. So, integral dy by root of 1 minus y square equal to dx by root of 1 minus x square, integrating on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides, what is the formula? Integral dx by root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Here a square equal to 1 square. So 1 square sine inverse of y by 1. Sine inverse of y by 1 equal to sine inverse of x by 1 plus c. So therefore sine inverse of y minus sine inverse of x equal to c is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. See the second subdivision, 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square into tan inverse of x into dy equal to minus y into dx. So we can do it in a variable separable method. dy by you bring this y term to the left hand side equal to minus dx by 1 plus x square into tan inverse of x. 1 plus x square into tan inverse of x. So first step you can do it in a variable separable method. You bring the variable separately. Now you can integrating on both the sides. Integral dy by y is nothing but what? Log y. In this you can take it as, see here, what is the differentiation of tan inverse of x? Tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral dy by y equal to minus dx by 1 plus x square into tan inverse of x. Now you can take it as tan inverse of x equal to t. Tan inverse of x equal to t. Tan inverse of x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x we are doing. Tan inverse or differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. So integral dy by y equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx into 1 by tan inverse of x. 1 by tan inverse of x into dx. So integral dy by y equal to minus integral 1 by tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x we kept it as t, so you can write it as 1 by t. 1 by t into 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to dt. Equal to dt. So see here, integral dy by y equal to minus integral dt by t. Minus integral dt by t. Integrating on both the sides. So log of mod y equal to minus log of mod t plus log of mod c. Log of mod c. Log of mod y equal to minus log of mod t plus log of mod c. See here, log of mod y equal to log m minus log n. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. Log m by n. Log m minus log n equal to log of modulus of c by t. C by t. Taking anti-log on both the sides or raising the power. So y equal to c by t. Yt equal to c. What is the value of t? T is nothing but tan inverse of x. So y into tan inverse of x equal to c. Y equal to tan inverse of x equal to c, which is the required differential equation. Which is the required differential equation. See the third subdivision, sine of dy by dx equal to a, y of 0 equal to 1. What is the meaning for this y of 0? That is y of x equal to 1. In the place of x, the value is 0. So if x equal to 0, y equal to 1. X equal to 0, y equal to 1. So you can take this one, sine of dy by dx equal to a, dy by dx equal to sine inverse of a. Sine inverse of a, you bring this value to the right hand side, nothing but what? Sine inverse of a. So by variable separable method, dy, I told you dy and dx in the numerator only, dy equal to sine inverse of a into dx. Sine inverse of a into dx. This is constant because there is no x term. So you can consider as a constant term. You don't take it as a function. So dy, integral dy equal to sine inverse of a because constant, integral dx. Integral dy equal to sine inverse of a into integral dx. Integral dy equal to y equal to sine inverse of a into integral dx is x plus c. X plus c. You substitute the value. If x equal to 0, y equal to 1. If x equal to 0, y equal to 1. 1 equal to sine inverse of a into 0 plus c. You can substitute in equation 1 the values, given values. The values are given x equal to 0, y equal to 1. You can substitute in equation 1. So 1 equal to sine inverse of a into x value is 0 plus c. So 0 into any number 0. 1 equal to c. So the c value you can substitute in this equation 1. Y equal to sine inverse of a into x. You write it in the front. Plus c value is 1 is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. See the fourth subdivision, dy by dx equal to e power x plus y plus x cube into e power y. See here dy by dx equal to e power x into e power y. You can write it as e power x plus y because can use the exponential form a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. The same way we can split up the term e power x plus y equal to e power x into e power y plus x cube into e power y plus x cube into e power y. Dy by dx equal to e power y is common, you can take it out. What is the remaining terms? E power x plus x cube. E power x plus x cube by variable separable method. By variable separable method, dy by e power y equal to e power x plus x cube into dx. E power x plus x cube into dx. E power y, it is in the denominator, you can bring it into the numerator, so the power become negative. E power minus y into dy. E power minus y into dy equal to e power x plus x cube into dx. Now integrating both the sides. Integration both the sides, e power minus y. E power x integration is e power x. X coefficient. So here y coefficient is minus 1. You can write it in the denominator minus 1 equal to e power x integration is e power x. x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus c, x power 4 by 4 plus c. So minus e power minus y minus e power minus y equal to e power x plus x power 4 by 4 plus c. E power x plus x power 4 by 4 plus e power minus y. You can interchange the value. E power minus y equal to minus c, but c is a constant. You can write it in any form. So you will write it as, or otherwise you can take it as minus c equal to a also, or otherwise minus c equal to c also you can write. E power x plus e power minus y plus x power 4 by 4 equal to c, because it is constant. So minus c you can write it in any form. So I can write it in a form of c, e power x plus e power minus y plus x power 4 by 4 equal to c, which is the required differential equation, See, I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.